Hello boys and girls. Now today we're going to be learning how to read and interpret pie charts. Okay, so a pie chart is a circular chart shaped like a pie and that's divided into different size sections. Okay, the size of these sections are based on the amount of people or the amount of data gathered for whatever the pie chart is looking at. So for example, this pie chart is looking at the water usage in the city of Melbourne, which is in Australia. Okay, so they went around and asked loads and loads of people where do they use their water, and this is the data they came up with, and they put it into a pie chart. Okay, they even very helpfully put in which is very helpful, they put in percentages for us, okay, with each section of the pie chart, and they're all different colors to help us read it a lot easier. Okay, we can see that the biggest section is the garden, and that 35% of the water is used in the garden. So if I was asked the question, where is the most amount of water used, I would say the most amount of water used is in the garden, and it's 35% of the water. If that 35% wasn't there, we could even see this by looking at the size of the section. It's clearly the biggest part in the pie chart. Okay, now very similar questions you will be asked in your pie charts today. If I was asked, where is the least amount of water used? Again, I can look at my percentages and find the smallest one, okay, which is 5%. If that wasn't there, I could also have a look around the pie chart to see which section is the smallest or the narrowest. And it is obviously here the kitchen. So that is the least amount, where the least amount of water is used. Okay. If I was asked where is the more water used? In the bathroom or in the toilet? Okay, again, I'd look at the size of my sections and I say this one is bigger. Yellow stands for bathroom, so my answer would be bathroom. If I was finding it really, really tricky, I could look at the percentages. 26% here, 19% here, so I know that the bathroom uses more. Okay, and it's very similar questions to these you will be answering in your pie charts today. Okay, on your seesaw. Another question that could be asked would be the difference between two different sections. So for this one, I could be asked, what is the difference between the amount of water used in the toilet and in the kitchen? Okay, so I could look at my 19% and 5%, and I could subtract 5 from 19, and that will give me my answer of 14%. So there's a 14% difference between the amount of water used in the toilet and the kitchen. Okay, so very, very similar questions you will be answering in your pie charts today. Okay, so I want you to use this method to help you with reading your pie charts today. And the ones I post up for you will have very similar questions to the 4 of them that are posted here. Okay, watch this video and re-watch this video to help you, and best of luck.